Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I drain my crawfish cooker after we're done boiling. I put together this guy right here. Didn't cost me anything really, it was just leftover parts. And so you don't have to go out and spend 10, 20 bucks for a high dollar adapter piece. In fact, this removes like this. Just barely screw that on there. And then I have my garden hose. I just ran it all the way out to the other part of the fence. That way it doesn't kill any of the grass. Alright, so you can see it draining right here. It drains pretty good. It's a little slower than just having it come straight out of the cooker, but at least it's not going to kill my grass. Thanks for watching.